Alright, so Dutterberry here representing for the National Library of Jamaica because they have a 60 Jamaican Poems project that will be highlighting some of Jamaica's most spectacular poets, such as Claude Mckay, Mervyn Morris, the great Louise, Bennett, Coverley. And so I'm here now for to talk to some people and get them to recite some of these popular poems and see how well they do. It is all about Jamaica 60 and more to see, will they bring it or no? You be the judge. Alright, so what's your name?
Ingrid.
Harmony.
My name is Joy.
Ingrid, your poem is Independence by the great Honorable Louise Bennett Coverley. Okay, may her soul rest in peace. So, you have it, right?
Me got it.
You're sure you have it?
I have it.
Alright, take it away.
Independence with a vengeance.
Independence
rising king. Jamaica start grow beard.
I hope him chin can't stand the strain.
I hope him chin can't stand the train.
Alright, that's it. Carina fall right now. Big up yourself. Go down the night now, you know.
When dog maga, him head big.
And when puss hungry.
When dog maga, him head big. And when puss hungry, him nose clean. But every puss and dog no know what independence means.
She hope them caution. World map.
Yes.
We stop draw Jamaica small.
True.
For the little speck
Sure.
can show
Yeah.
with independentness.
At all. We have to learn the word when Louise Bennett said. See if we can try it again. Make two we try. Look on the word again. Independentness. Alright, ready?
Independentness.
That's it.
Independentness at all.
We'll catch it.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay!
We'll catch it. Simple.
Straight up.
Alright, ready? So what's your name?
Sonic Stewart.
Howard.
Shamaria.
Lloydia.
So your poem is Jamaica by M.G. Smith. Take it away.
I saw my land in the morning, and oh, but she was fair.
The hills flamed upwards, scorning death and failure here.
I saw my land in the morning, and oh, but she was fair. The hills flame upwards, scorning death and failure here.
Yeah.
I saw the mist of the morning.
A wave like a sea set free.
Ooh.
Fade to the dawn returning, dark tide,
Bright unity.
Right unity.
Excellent. Well, it looked like you didn't want to read again. How was that? Wasn't that good?
No, I'm scared.
No man, that was good. So that was Jamaica by M.G. Smith. So you can't say no one Jamaican poem. So big up yourself now. You did excellent. No.
Are you that?
Yeah man.
Just to get that groove.
High five. Don't left my hanging. Alright, big up yourself. Alright, so what's your name?
Shay Charlton.
Shanique.
Trey. My name is Bridget Jaquan and Yawa. 15. Jesus, people. Alright, so this poem is from Joan Hutchinson and it is called That Bumpy Head Gyal.
Yes, sir.
Come on, man, David.
Tell me say me not good enough for your TV screen. Oh, me offend your eyesight.
Tell me say me a one black ugly bumpy head gal.
Yeah.
And tell me say me feeling right.
You say me hairstyle disgusting. Chaka. And turn bad.
And favor sinting out a street. And say me should have shame to leave me house. Cause me tan so.
Now me smile. Me feeling sweet.
Me not afraid of me own self.
Yeah.
Me not shame of me. Anytime me look in at the mirror,
Tell
me
her.
love the somebody when me see and look at me.
Right there, so. Say the last part again. Anytime me looking at the mirror, what?
Anytime me looking at the mirror,
Me love.
me love
this somebody
when me see and look back at me.
Right there, so that is just it. She just mess up the show. We don't need nothing more. She just mess up the show. Give her one contract right now.
Cause if it kinky or straight, black or white, transparent or opaque, Master God make everybody for a special reason. And God don't make mistakes.
Say the last line, the last part already. Master God what? Say the party again.
Master God make everybody for a special reason. And God don't make mistakes.
Alright, so what your name, boss?
I mean name face, you know.
Tavario.
Alright, so I'm there with Miller and his lovely children. And this is Bus Trouble by George B. Wallace. Now, Miller, I know you have practice. I feel like you can confidently do it now. Take it away.
Ease up, boy. Mind your foot. Take it off me grip. Now make we have anything. Don't spoil the motor trip. The whole of us a go to town. I want to catch it quick.
Yeah.
And the way this thing a crawl, Me belly over sick.
Alright, sit there. See how them coming like a lovely choir.
See ya, girl. No church for me.
Yeah.
Sit down in the nice man lap and give me space. Fit on me head.
Alright.
No worry if me drop. This your snail comfy, the hawk. It creech and ball and rock.
Yeah.
Look, the smoke screen at the front of the ear, the engine knock.
No man, I regularly do this. I can't the first poem. I can't the first year read the poem.
Yeah man, I first man, but you don't know.
Yeah.
You have to make it spicy.
For no matter how we cuss, we still have to drive from them and rush to catch a bus.
Simple as that. George B. Wallace, Bus Trouble. That is it. We can't hear a little loader man voice.
One already, 200.
Alright, so this in Tiffany is the day my father died by Mervyn Morris. Bring on the poetry
let's
energy.
go.
Alright, so more you're looking at the camera and read it like a day at primary school.
The day my father died, I could not cry. My mother cried, not I.
His face on the pillow in the dim light.
Yes.
Brought morning to me, black and white.
We saw him struggle, stiffen, relax.
The day was her day.
Yes.
Lost was tomorrow.
That's it.
Oh man.
Come on, JCDC gold medal. You Shelly, you look like you do want to continue again. You did enter JCDC one time.
For dancing.
Okay,
in primary school though.
You know JCDC talent.
Yes, I went to the Holy Trinity High School, by the way. I was a deputy head girl, so big on my school.
Alright, so what's your name?
Norma.
Devon.
So your poem is Flame Heart by Claude Mckay.
So much have I forgotten in 10 years. So much in 10 brief years.
What time the purple apples come to juice, and what month brings the shine forgot me not.
I have forgotten the special starling season of the pimento flowers and fruiting.
What time of year the ground doves brown the fields, and what fill the fill the afternoon with
Curious, flirty. I have forgotten much.
But still remember the poinsettia, red, blood red in warm December.
Drop mic.
December.
As simple as that.
I
Wait, hold on, man. Hold on, man. You read at church. You used to teach. You give sermon at church. You used to teach. But tell you, man, you can always tell the teacher voice them, there's something inside there. We had a song for Jamaica 6 with us, want people to like read Jamaican poems. That's all. Ready? Alright, so the poem here named Nature by HD Carberry. So the person have piece of my name.
We have neither summer nor winter.
Yes.
Either autumn nor spring.
We have instead the days when the golden sun shines on the lush green cane fields magnificently.
Full stop right there. So that is it. Take care. Drive off. Take care.
When the bushes are full of the sound of bees and the scent of honey, when the tall grass sways and shivers.
The beauty comes suddenly and the rains have gone.
No, come like this. Clap like this. That's how we did to me at the point. Yeah. Magnificent. Alright, so what your name, boss? Sheila. Alright, so your poem is Recess by Binta Breeze.
1, 2, 3. Starkali who stole.
Wait, Stark Ashley?
No man. Starkali Pangalinga.
You never heard the word before. Say it again.
Pangalinga.
What is that? Can somebody tell me what that is? Pengalingaling. So your poem is from Lorna Goodison and it is called I Am Becoming My Mother.
Yellow or brown woman, fingers smelling always of onions.
Yeah. My mother raises rare blooms and waters them with tea.
Yeah.
Her birth water sang like rivers. My mother is now me.
Yeah.
My mother had a linen dress.
One more watch visuals.
The color of the skies.
And so lace and damask tablecloths to pull the shame out of her eye.
I'm becoming my mother. Brown
or yellow woman, finger smelling with always of onions.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for Maurice. Can we have a round of applause for Miss Huggins right here? All right, we're going to put in the sound effect. You did great. Thank you.